Southeast Asia manufacturers are growing first. Great. But there are no smiles. What's their problem? Typical one in fast-growing factories. At a factory that manufactures 300 orders per month, if there are 4 processes, they schedule 1,200 operations. Scheduling 1,200 jobs with Excel. Too many, so it caused insufficient parts and raw materials. The necessary machines are occupied, not available. The previous process hasn't finished yet. Shops and lines have to stop often.
I get frustrated with many complaints for delays.
No one know when the previous process will end. And I don't see when I can go home.
Holidays, breaks suddenly disappear. I want to quit.
Let's use Asprova, production scheduler. Japan's the best software. How to make production scheduling? By Excel? ERP? Asprova schedules 1,000 orders in 3 seconds. On your notebook PC. In the 3 seconds, Asprova handles due date, inventory, raw material, jig, mold, machine ability, worker skill, setup time, work shift, holiday, break time. With no mistakes. You can set up Asprova without programming skill. Asprova shows that Japanese software can be the best in the world. Japanese government in 2018. 3,486 factories use Asprova in 47 countries. Asprova is changing factories.
Asprova reduced delays by 90%.
Everything moves smoothly along with schedule.
We take break and back home on time.
By Asprova, smiles have returned to people in the factory and their homes.